trip. So first destination, three destination, Naked, Daco, and Puyam. So first destination is Naked, 15 minutes boat ride going to Naked Island. So after that, they proceed to Secret Garden, like a snorkeling area. So like that's only things we can see, corals, fish, and shark.
At sa pagpapatuloy ng ating Siargao serye, mga darlings, samahan niyo ko to experience the famous Thri Island hopping. Dito lang yan, syempre, sa Siargao Island, Philippines. Kaya naman mga darling, sit back and relax. And let me share with you this wonderful experience. Dito lang yan sa Megan Wonders to Siargao. Good morning mga darling from Siargao. Let me show you the morning sun. So our beach resort is actually sunrise. It's beautiful. Hindi ko lang nakuhanan yung actual sunrise na. Mataas na yung araw nung lumabas ako. It's already like 5 past. Ano na. I'll try again tomorrow. And ito ang ganda. It's so beautiful. Kasing ganda ko. Anyway, I'm just waiting for Kay to prep. Tapos, we're gonna have our breakfast. And then after that, we'll go with the island hopping that we booked yesterday. Medyo kapagod today. Pero, samahan niyo ako mga darling and enjoy Siargao with me. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning mga darling from Siargao.
Okay.
So yan, ang taas ng araw. We're waiting for breakfast. So while waiting, magkakape muna at Kia's. Alam niyo naman that coffee is like 6:30 ang serving ng breakfast, and it's breakfast buffet. Kasama siya sa nasa inclusion ng aming hotel. Here, only here in Romantic Beach Villas, Siargao. Morning! Here we have fried rice, eggs scrambled, sausage, longanisa, and carbonated bread, and fruits, of course. So if you have kids, they have cereals, and of course, flavors for your cereals. Let's see. What's this? Oh, they have corn, small sauce, and of course coffee. So yun na nga mga darling, no? Ganda naman natin. Breakfast, and breakfast, and breakfast. Breakfast, mga darling. Grabe yung breakfast ko, Breakfast, eggs, rice, and sausage, and prutas, syempre, and salad. Alam mo, ito yung vinaigrette na sarap ako kahapon. Sarap. So, dahil ang kasama ko ay natapos na. At ako'y mag-uumpisa pa lang. Ano mga kaiba sa itlog nila? Pare-pareho lang naman ang itlog natin dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya lang, nag-aamusal ka. Share daw. Construction worker.
May fried rice na.
Too late. Plain rice na ako. Gusto na masyadong maaga nagising. Pero it's okay. Na-prep naman na nila halos eh. May mga guests lang.
Bagas na daw.
Masyadong maaga. Hindi kasi, kaya maaga tayo, meron tayong island hopping for today's video. Which is 7:30 to 8 a.m. ang pick up. So we have to make sure na nakapag-breakfast na tayo bago yun. Otherwise,
Magpupo pa.
nagugutom tayo. Tapos, kailangan busog na busog tayo. Dahil mamaya, ang next kain na natin is yung lunch boodle fight doon sa island hopping. So, kailangan ng rice for energy. Sarap na kanin. Kain mga darling. Mukbang. The eggs, may bacon. Oh! Ano ba? I think may bayad.
Oh, you have to pay for it?
Yeah. Ayun no, may nakalagay na price. So, if you want flavored coffee, kasi parang titimplahan pa yun eh. To achieve yung lasa na.
Ano kasama sa
No, I don't think so. Kulit naman. Isang babae itong staff. Yun ang one thing na nagustuhan ko dito sa place na is bait. Mga staff nila, no? Magagalang. In fairness. Sabi ko nga huwag nyo kaming tratuhin na mga dayuhan. Kasi we're kababayan natin. Parang lang tayo. Mga barkada. Abon. Mornings in Shandao. Sarap talaga ng kanin.
Kuha ka pa.
Isang buwan ko itong tiring. Hindi okay na to. Damihan ko na lang yung mga protina. Protina is the key. Yung pancake na. Ang gusto ko ng pancake. Ito yung pancake. Pancake ba yun?
Hindi ko alam.
I think it's
pandesal.
pancake. I think it's pandesal. Akala ko pancake. Kasi pancake na. Tinanghali talaga sila ng gising. By the way, mga darling, this is day 2 of our Siargao getaway. Of course, with my favorite aswang. Aga ng alak nito yan.
Sino?
Finish! Anong juice yun? Pineapple. Pineapple.
Orange.
Saka orange. Yellow.
Ay, oatmeal. Hindi ko alam.
Like, orange na 8 o'clock or orange na
Fresh?
fresh?
Ano no? It's all.
Salad. Sarap talaga ng vinaigrette. Prutas. Papaya. Finish. Finish ang prutas. Finish ang gulay. Finish ang almusal. Waiting na lang sa fruit refill. Parang gusto ko ng pandesal tapos lagyan mo siyang butter.
Ayun, puro pandesal.
Pandesal! Yung malambot na type ng pandesal.
Lambot na yung pandesal.
Lambot. Ang hirap makahanap ng ganitong pandesal sa atin eh. Kasi yung pandesal,
Floppy na yung pandesal natin.
yung tapos pag lumamig matigas na. Pandesal with butter. Ito na lang itong isang butter. It's okay. Tostang-tosta na ba? Magdasal, no? Sarap. So, yun mga darling. Tapos na tayo sa ating breakfast. Busog-busog again. So, antayin na lang natin yung... Ay, anong oras na?
7 pa lang.
So, meron pa tayo mga 13 minutes. Wala lang ako na ano. Tawag dito. Pakwan. Medyo mainit na po. Last na lang to tapos. Antayin na lang natin yun. So, that's it for our breakfast. Chill na muna tayo sa villa. And we'll wait for the pickup. Kailan happy. Kita-kita tayo dito. Signing up for the island hub. So, bumili si Aswang ng... Endorse natin si Cetaphil. Endorse natin si Cetaphil. 118 SPF. Oo nga naman. Maganda yung ano. The higher the SPF, the... Kaya yung konti. Lagay ko sa mukha ako. Para... Pero hindi kami masunog masyado. Although, ay maganda siya sa balat, ha? Para siyang may moisturizer. Fairness, maganda siya i-apply. Dati kasi, hindi naman talaga ako nagsa-sunscreen. Dahil, feeling ko lang, hindi ako takot sa ano. Kaya lang, pag hindi ako nagsa-sunscreen, mamagay ang mukha ko. So, kailangan na mag-sunscreen. Talaga. Dahil ito yung masyado masusunog niya. Kailangan na pagkapain. Lagyan sa brush. Kailangan marami. So, inaantay na lang namin yung mga iba pang joiners. Kailan hopping natin. So, mga what time kaya yung alis na? Ngayon na pala. Okay. Great. Amazing. So, yung mga darling, makapag-protect na tayo ng balat. Samahan nyo kami mag-island hopping. Dito lang sa Siargao. See ya! Island hopping! Pilipinas!
3 destination, Niked, Daco, and Puyam. So first destination is Niked, 15 minutes boat ride going to Niked Island. So after that, they proceed to Secret Garden, like a snorkeling area. So like that's the only things we can see, corals, fish, and shark. No ma'am, no shark. So after that, next proceed to Daco Island in lunch. Daco Island, sa big island in Siargao. So after that, next proceed to... Yes ma'am, Daco. So after lunch, next proceed to Guyam Island, smallest island in Siargao. So last destination, Guyam Island. Okay, so enjoy.
Hello mga darling! We are in Naked Island. One of the islands that you will be visiting if you will do the Tri-Island tour here in Siargao. Very clear waters. So ganda. So we have like 1 hour here para mag-swim, take pictures, enjoy the clear water. Tabi lang kami ng bangka. Ayaw namin masyado magbilad. Pero bilad na talaga kami. So, you can see, so clear. Look at the water. Marami lang dahon-dahon pero very clear water. Sobra. Ganda. Yeah, once in your life, you experience this Siargao. Very nice. Mainit lang. So you have to make sure that binatak nyo yung sarili nyo sa sunblock para medyo protected naman kayo under the sun. Very nice, no? So let me show you more of this island from our position here. Let me show you my friend. Punta ako sa kabilang side ng boat. To get a different. Ay, may ano pala dito? Si lilim. Para hindi, may lilim pala dito para hindi ka umitim. Say hi. Anong gawa mo dyan, madam? Dyan ka lang, madam. Hindi ka bababa. Ganda, sarap kaya. Sarap kaya dito.
Saan mo ko
Makapunta. Background mo yan. Ay, sige pala. Talon ka na lang. Ayan po. Ang Naked Island po. May pa-music pala si Kuya. Dito pa lang pala yung pa-music ni Kuya kapag ano. Pag wala na yung maingay na ano. Layo natin ng konti. Ayun. So may isang isla pa doon. Ay, hindi pala yan. Ay, hindi ko alam. Basta. Isla. Parang may isang private tour. Siyempre, kayo-kayo lang sa ano, bangka. Pinapakita ko lang yung ano, wider view. Malalim na siya pa. Pero nice. Ito maliligo. O siya. Magpipicture taking pa kami ng konti. Alam mo yung dalawang ano, nagbabad lang sila sa araw. Yung bang araw dito, tsaka yung araw doon, di pares. Picture muna, mga darling. We are in the Cook Island for our Boodle Fight. Let me show you around. Baka natin tulong siya. Kasi hindi siya pwedeng magtagal nakatakot dyan. Punta siya sa mas malalim. We're waiting for our lunch. Ayan, signature. Yung mga signature na shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. So hot in the Cook Island. Tagal naman ang nakikigutom na. Masyadong mainit. So dito muna tayo sa cottage na libre. Walang tao. So hot. Pero mas solid yung init dito. No? Maya, balikan ko kayo pag Boodle Fight. Boodle Fight. ayun na nga mga darling, no? Tapos na tayong kumain ng lunch dun sa Boodle Fight lunch natin. Hindi ko na siya na-videohan kasi hindi ako nagmesa. So, hirap na hirap ako may hawak ng cellphone tsaka ano. Pero it's good. Masarap naman. Typical Boodle, Filipino Boodle Fight food. So, yun. Masarap naman. Dito siya sa Daku Island. Inclusion siya dun sa 3 island hopping. 1,500 per person. Masarap. Sobrang init lang dito sa Daku Island. Gusto mong mag-picture. Ang hapdi sa balat. Although may sunscreen naman kami. Effective naman yung mga sunscreen na pinaglalagay natin eh. Nag-darken lang pero hindi tayo yung like sunburn talaga. O yun na nga. Pag matanda na, uugod-ugod na, hindi na kami pwedeng maglibot-libot. At least, makikita ko pa rin sa YouTube yung mga experiences na ganito. Kaya, while you're young, earning, hindi naman masyadong marami. Sakto naman. Kaya pa ng katawan. Go! Go! Pero syempre, don't forget your obligations. Hindi naman to for other people's eyes. It's for your own happiness. Sabi! So yun, sarap nung sarap ng fruit. Nag-mango lang ako, box. Hindi mo na ako nag-watermelon. Baka mamaya, yun yung pinanggalingan ng So yun, sarap. Okay naman. Ay, yun nga, yung kanina, prior to arriving here in Daku Island, part ng, na to, yung secret garden, snorkeling area yun. So, makikita mo yung mga coral sa ilalim, mga fishes, gaganda, mga corals, sobrang buhay na buhay sila. Sayang, sa susunod, sana may underwater camera na ako. So, I can show. Ganda. You will really appreciate Pilipinas. Ano yung theme song ng Pilipinas? Iba! Piliin mo! Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Yan na nga. It's okay to go overseas. Gusto mong magtrabaho sa ibang bansa. That's okay. Especially if it will fulfill your dreams, will establish your magandang future. But eventually, you will really go back home. And there's really no place like home. There's really no place for a Filipino than the Philippines. So yun, ang saya. Kaya nga marami mga mga dayuhan na. In fairness, ang dami. Sobrang dami mga foreigner kami kasama in this trip. So, somehow makes us proud that we have this kind of country. At saka mga lugar dito sa Pilipinas. Tsaka sobrang bait ng mga tao dito sa Siargao. Kaya, salute! Taga Siargao. So, ang next island natin yan is the Guyam Island. That's gonna be the last island for today's video. And then after that, chill muna tayo sa villa, sa resort. Cocktail ulit?
No.
Happy hour.
Mag-cocktail ka ulit.
Happy hour ulit. Hi. Yeah, you can join us. You're from?
Chile.
Chile. We're from here. Yeah. Not from Siargao, but from Manila.
Manila.
Yeah. Luzon.
Manila is not have a beaches. No?
It does have along the Ross Boulevard, the Mall of Asia, but it's not something like this. It's just like a loading dock for some what do you call that? The yacht club, people. It's not really that beautiful as it was before. Because before it used to be like this, but then again, it's a city, so.
In Chile, the beach is the water is cool.
Cold.
Very cold.
That's South America, right?
Yes. In Brazil? No. Just is more
Nice. Solo traveler. There are a lot of solo travelers. Is it just here in Siargao, or you also have
this is
other?
my final destination.
Oh, this is your final trip. Where are the others?
Coron and
Ah, you've been to Palawan and El Nido. Nice. It's beautiful there as well. We found a new. We have a newfound friend.
Yes.
What is your name, girl?
Natalia.
This is Natalia. Hi, Natalia. She's from Chile. Chile.
Chile. Viva Chile.
Chile, they're beautiful people too. And yeah, good looking. So after this, you're gonna go back home.
Back home.
Not yet. You're gonna hop in Asia. I used to have 3 days here. Okay. But after Siargao,
No, Manila and then Santiago.
Going back.
Of Chile.
what about in Asia other than Philippines? Have you visited Thailand, Vietnam?
No, just Philippines.
Just Philippines. Nice.
I have only 50 days
For vacation.
for vacation.
What do you do?
What do you do?
If you don't mind us asking.
Yes, I'm working.
You're working.
Oh, she worked.
She worked. Oh, before.
You're not working anymore.
No,
You come back.
Yes, working is in this moment, really?
No, not working at the moment, but when you go back home.
At the VIP lounge with the airline.
Oh, you're in the airport business, travel business also.
Latam Airlines.
That's Chile type of
Yes, it's a Chilean airline.
Chilean. Nice.
And you? YouTuber.
It's for documentation so that when I grow old, there is something that I can go back to remember, to reminisce my travel and all. But I do have a YouTube channel.
Excellent.
Yeah. I upload it to the channel.
What language do you speak in Chile? Portuguese or Spanish?
Spanish. Just Spanish.
Muy bien.
Aquí con las chicas.
Hola.
Hi.
Ella es YouTuber.
Philippines. Yeah, it's safe. When we go to the boat, there's like a military manning uniform. Check the safety, like checking if we are all wearing the vest and all that. If you remember this morning, check every boat to make sure that the trip will be safe. It's a good thing. You like the food? Do we have like similar kind of food that we eat and you eat there? Oh, so you went on, is that a land tour? Is that a land tour that you went to yesterday? Or it's also island? The Coco View, the other lakes and all. That's the land tour. We don't have time. We don't have time to do that anymore because we're leaving like Monday morning. So tomorrow we'll just relax maybe in the villa. We'll try to go Cloud9, right? We'll try to I'll try to surf. Yeah. We'll try to do a little surf for experience and then chill out. There's supposed to be 3 of us. Hi. This is what you missed.
Oh, yeah.
This is what you missed, friend. Yeah, he has work commitment, so he was not able to come. How did you learn about Siargao? Did you see it like on YouTube, online, Facebook, or some friends
In
YouTube?
Yes. YouTube.
And TikTok.
TikTok and Instagram.
So ayun, medyo mag-chill na muna kami kasi in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Magpe-prepare na kami for the next island, which is Guyam Island. Last island na yun, no? Nasuwi na tayo. Para No mo na. No mo. So we'll see you again later, mga darling. Huwag kayong bibitaw. Last island na to. Guyam Island. See ya! Kuya, ito ba yun?
Yes,
Ito yun?
Ito yun. Okay, welcome to Guyam Island. 40 minutes na tayo dito. Joke lang. 1 hour and 30
1
minutes.
hour. 1:30, okay. Thank you. Welcome to Guyam Island. Sabi ni Kuya, langgam daw ibig sabihin ng Guyam. Tama? Welcome to Guyam Island. Ganda, pero mainit. Diba? Ganda. May mga rock formations dyan.
Wait out din eh. So, kung natin sila kung pag-relatives na.
Diba? Ang linaw ng tubig. Sarap mag-swimming. Yan, pangalan yan. For private tours. Siyempre, makyumyo yan. Pang-artista. Welcome to Guyam Island. Me and my bakla. Uy! Dito talaga ako nahihilo. Akala ko ako yung kausap ni Ay. Ano? Ayun pala siya eh. Hindi siya makaano sa hagdan. Ano? Baba na tayo sa Guyam Island. Last island na natin today. Sige, kaya-kaya na yun, kuya. Ay. So, mag-i-stay tayo dito ng 1.5 oras para mag-swimming. Mag-swimming. Eto ako. Sunog na sunog ang balat. Eto ako. Sunog na sunog ang balat. Oh, may pa-picture pala, Box. May title of the movie.
Picture. Sa gusto mo
Huwag na video. Picture na lang. Nalaglag yung tapis. Nalaglag ang tapis. Contestant number 1.
Picture ka kay ate habang nandiyan si ate.
Welcome to Guyam Island. Front camera eh. So, baliktad siya. So, kayo mag-adjust.
Ikaw na kay ate, ayun o.
Sandali, pa-picture muna tayo.
Picture kami.
Welcome to Guyam Island with my favorite aswang.
After all the things that happened, I end up here.
Supposed to be half day na lang sana kami kasi she was not feeling better earlier. Pero it looks like she feels better now. So yun. Carry na siya. So carry na rin kami. Kaya rin na kami mag-swimming.
Kaya masakit.
Oo, matalim kasi yung tahe. Baby, we can enjoy life. So, ay, nawala yung bangka natin. Sa malayo talaga siya nagdadak, no? Na. So, ano yun? Mag-swimming. Mag-swimming. Mag-swimming ako in a bit. Swimming ako maya-maya. Pero mainit. Tawa akong swimming. Dito na lang siya sabi-sabi. So, parang mukhang maganda. Dito sa may mga bato-bato. Video ko muna yung may mga bato-bato. Siyempre, may pa century buds. Century buds. Diba? Ang ganda ng bato-bato. At may pa drone. Ay! Oh, century buds. Ganda ng mga begla. O, diba? Parang parang Temptation Island. O, may patrol pa sila. And that's it for our day 2 of our Siargao adventures, mga darling. Hindi pa po dyan nagtatapos ang ating 4 days Siargao experience. If you reached this part of the video, maraming salamat po. At kung kayo po ay nag-enjoy, huwag kakalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel, Megan Wonders. At samahan niyo ako muli dito lang sa Siargao Serie 2024.